The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be a game changer. It'll come with a massive 108 megapixels main camera,
Trust me, this is gonna be great.
an upgraded processor, an S Pen holder, and a new creaseless screen. Here are the latest leaks about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 so far. Upgraded processor. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be powered by a better processor compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Unlike the Fold 4, which uses the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which has a decent performance and power-saving feature, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or even better.
Absolutely.
This follows a similar leak about Samsung intending to use the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor in the Galaxy S23 lineup. This Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset would equip the Z Fold 5 with a faster and better GPU and CPU performance, connectivity, and battery efficiency. Improved camera quality. Again, the Z Fold 5 would have a better camera quality compared to previous models. It will come with a 108 megapixels front camera, which is a major upgrade from the previous 50 megapixels main camera of the Z Fold 4, a 64 megapixels telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom ability, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera. These major upgrades are not only a plus for Samsung foldables, but also will help to keep the pace of other foldable brands such as Oppo, Xiaomi, and Motorola. S Pen holder. Samsung is intending to make the Galaxy Z Fold 5 the first Samsung foldable to have a built-in slot for the S Pen. This new upgrade would not only make the S Pen handy and easy to carry along, but also would save users of the extra cost of having to buy an S Pen.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Dad. Okay.
Although this new addition would increase the productivity of the device, it would in turn increase its overall weight to about 275 grams and thickness to 6.5 millimeters thick when unfolded. Invincible crease. Lastly, Samsung is intending to improve the IPX8 waterproof hinge system of the Z Foldables. Even though this system makes the Samsung Z Fold the only waterproof foldable smartphone, it causes a glaring crease on the screen which Samsung intends to fix. According to Ice Universe, the Fold 5 would have the droplet hinge structure, which is used in Oppo, Xiaomi, and Motorola foldables that reduces the crease on their screens. This upgrade will make the Galaxy Z Fold 5 have a waterproof hinge with a barely visible crease. You will also love the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Click on the next video to know everything about it.